the Macadams bread divider is used for portioning bulk dough into the required individual dough pieces for making bread. In this video, we will be showing you the safe work procedures, operation and cleaning of the Macadams range of equipment. As with all bakery equipment, the correct safe work procedures must be followed at all times to minimize potential hazards and workplace injury. Knowing how to correctly inspect, operate, clean and maintain, and protect yourself while operating the bread divider is essential for your safety and the safety of other employees. Ensure you're wearing the correct personal protective equipment. Always make sure that the area around the bread divider is clear of any obstacles or hazards. Inspect the bread divider by checking that the electrical cable and plug are undamaged and in safe working order, and that its wheels are locked down so that it stays in place when in use. Remove plastic cones and any other foreign objects from inside the bread divider. If you identify any potential hazards during your inspection, do not use the divider and report your findings to your supervisor immediately. To operate the bread divider, plug in the electrical cable and switch on the mains. Deactivate the emergency switch and ensure the head of the bread divider is completely lowered by pressing the down button. Place correctly weighed dough into the vat and flatten it lightly around the drum to allow you to close the lid. There is no need for you to flatten the dough perfectly, as this is the machine's job. Now close the lid and lock it. Once locked, bring the head up by pressing and holding the up button. Place your free hand on the center of the bread divider's lid. In this step, the pressure of the dough keeps the head down and the blades will portion the bread into the desired dough weight that is required. Once the bread has been divided, you will feel pressure pushing up on the lid. This means that you can now release the up button, which will retract the blades back into the head again. Now unlock the locking device and open the lid. Press the up button again, which will lift the head, making it easy to remove the portioned dough pieces. Repeat this process. In order to get the dough pieces at the desired weight, divide the total weight by the number of pieces. Example, 10 kilograms divides into 20 pieces at 500 grams. Cleaning the bread divider is the next major step. Doing so daily is important to preventative maintenance that ensures the proper operation of this machine. It is important to follow your company's prescribed cleaning schedule. Leave the machine on and lower the head. Place the 4 plastic cones onto the base of the machine without touching the blades. Lock the machine down and press the up button to push the whole head up. Place your hand on top of the lid until you feel pressure pushing against the lid. The cones keep the base down, while allowing the blades to be exposed for cleaning. Now release the button and unlock and open the lid. Remove the plastic cones so that you can clean the inside of the blades using a moist cloth. It is very important to never use any types of oil with this machine. Use a plastic scraper to remove any dough pieces stuck between the blades and use a moist cloth to clean the blades and the inside of the drum. Thoroughly dry the blades. Now press the up button on the bread divider to bring the head up. This will give you access to pieces of dough that may have fallen off the blades and back into the pockets between blades and base. Clean this away with a moist cloth and then dry thoroughly. Drop the head back into place by pressing the down button and switch off the bread divider using the emergency switch and at the mains. Clean the inside of the lid and the outside of the machine with a cloth soaked in warm, soapy water and dry thoroughly. Clean the plastic cones by wiping with a moist cloth and sanitize the bread divider and plastic cones. Under no circumstances must dough be left inside the vat after use. The dough contains yeast, which will result in a build-up of pressure if the machine is sealed. This will make it difficult to open, and more importantly, it could result in a huge release of pressure propelling the lid open, causing possible injury. Now clean and sanitize the work area around the divider. Finally, do an inspection of the bread divider, ensuring that it is in good working order. If there is any fault or damage, report it to your supervisor immediately. Always follow the correct safe work procedures to protect yourself and fellow kitchen and bakery staff and customers at all times.